Look at this scenario, look at this. This is the just happening in this accident. This just happening, this accident. Some people running there on the hello दोस्तों नमस्कार वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. So guys, now I am standing at the park. Look at behind, this is the poster Galaxy Z Fold 7. Look at this is the big and I will show you scenario where I am standing. Can you guess and write the comment box where I am standing. So let's begin. So guys, look at this scenario. Wow, look at this scenario, look at this. This is the just happening in this accident. This just happening, this accident. Some people running there on the So guys, as you can see that one Bolero collapsed with this khamba. As you can see that this is the khamba. I will show you clearly. Wait a second. Look at this khamba. He is the actually destroyed this. He is the standing over there. As you can see right, he is the standing here and here passing the Bolero. As you can see that this is the Bolero over standing here passing the Bolero and collapsed with the khamba, and he is the actually totally destroyed. So now as you can see here the standing. Now when I am making video, so I start him making video. I think that I realize behind me in the accident, he happening in accident. So now I will, now when I return in the back side, I seen that this is the an accident. Actually, though I think that Bolero speed driving like a 100 km per hour. As you can see that this khamba is the totally destroyed, destroyed. I think that he is the driving fast. So what do you think about this? I am here to enjoying. As you can see that I am making video, I am making vlog. So improve my spoken English. When I speak English in the just like Hindi, I cannot able to speak in like Hindi. But I am trying to at this time to how to happening this, how to realize this, how to overcome this knowledge, how to overcome this fear, how to overcome this. How to overcome this hesitation. So now I am making video. Or when I am making video, as you can see that one Bolero accident collapsed with the khamba, and after the scene this accident, I record some second video and I came back in my area. As you can see that, and look at this here. Look at this. This is the Christmas. Wait a second. Look at this. This is the Christmas decoration. As you can see that some days ago, as you know that on 25 December, here the Merry Christmas Day. So as you can see that this is the Christmas decoration, and look at this Christmas Santa Claus. Look at this Santa Claus, and you are seeing that this is the display. You can hear totally floor is the display, not a lighting. Is the display. When I started last night, just last night, I think that last night late night, So when I started the late night, he is the burning, he is the lightning. So I record this video, some video I will show you in the my video decoration. So as you can see that I am here to making video back to my channel. So guys, now I am standing in the artificial grass. As you can see that this is the not a original grass, this is not a real grass, this is the artificial grass. And as you can see behind me, look at this is the mini tree. As you can see, it is the also artificial tree, not a nature tree, not a real tree. And you are seeing that this is the snow. I will show you clear. As you can see that this is the snow on the tree, it is the artificial snow. And here as you can see that this is the artificial snow. And look at this artificial fruit. As you can see that this is not a fruit, I think that, but it is the artificial fruit here. And here making golden colors deer, as you can see. And here look at this decoration, I also show you decoration. And here look at this the golden deer. And I will show you Santa Claus. Look at this Santa Claus. Look at this Santa Claus. As you can see that, who is this I don't know, but this is the Santa Claus. And it is the artificial grass, as you can see that. And here look at this is the original grass, as you can see. So guys, you seen this Santa Claus decoration? This is the beautiful scenario, amazing scenario. I am standing here. I will show you clearly, like here I am standing, here I am making video. So don't judge my tongue, don't judge my language, how to speaking, how to not speaking. Also I tell you, also I said you I am an English learner, not a fluencer, not a English fluencer. So this is my hesitation.
अच्छा प्रेशर आ गया तो देखा जाएगा.
As you can see that he is the pouring water in the field. Look at this, how to pouring this water in the field. It is the necessary for the grass to grow up. Some people coming and going, so some grasses is the died. So it is the important, is the need for the grass. As you can see that here, look at this. Look at this modern method, as you can see that. And here look at this, some look at this is the pouring water in the field, as you can see that. Hey, look at this there. Here is the nalka, as you can see. And now I am standing here, as you can see that. I enjoying so much here. I am so happy here to making vlog.